on multiplication of decimals. So let's go. Number one, the first one we're going to do is 5.9 multiplied by 8. So let's multiply. 8 nines going to give you 72. We're going to do 7 over. 8 fives 40 plus 7 give you 47. Now to put the point. Now we have one number up here coming behind the point, and that is 9. So let's circle the 9. So therefore we're going to have one place of decimal down here as well. We call this one place of decimal. When we have one number behind the point, we say one place of decimal. So if we have one place of decimal up here, we have to have one place down here. So in any whole number, the point is always outside. It's just that we don't put it unless we have a number behind the point. So we'll move the point from here to here. So let's put in the point now. So your answer is 47.2. So I hope you understand that. So we're going to go on to another one. 4.8 multiplied by 1.5. And when we are multiplying decimals, it doesn't matter where the point is until you reach the answer. So it's not like when we are adding and subtracting where we have where we have to have the points lined up under each other. It doesn't have to be like that. If you want to, you can, but it's not necessary. Alright, so let us multiply. 5 8 is 40, put the 0, carry the 4. 5 4 is 20, plus 4 gives you 24. So put the 24 down. Then we're going to multiply by the 1. But when we have a 2-digit number to multiply by, when we are going to multiply by the second digit, we have to put a 0 first. So put a 0 there. So we say 1 8 8 1 4 4. So we can add now. Next step is to add. So 0 and 0 give you 0. 8 and 4 give you 12. 4 and 2 6 and 1. 8 and 4 12. Let's carry the 1 over. So 4 and 2 6 and the 1 that we carry over make 7. Now the next step is to put in the point. So here we have one place of decimal and we have another place of decimal here. So we have two places of decimal. I remember we said any amount of places of decimal that we have up here, we have to have the same amount of places of decimal in the answer. So we have two places of decimal. So move the point. 1 2. So the point goes right there. So the answer is 7.20. The next one is 32.6 multiplied by 4.2. So let's multiply. 2 6s, 12, put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 2 is 4, and the 1 that we carry over make 5. Then we're going to say 2 3s, 6. Remember, when we're multiplying by a 2-digit number, we put a 0 here. So let's go. 4 6s, 24. Let's move the 1 that we can put the 2. So 4 2 is 8, and 2, 10. Okay, I will carry the 1 over. 4 3s, 12 and 1, 13. Let us add now. So 2 and 0 give you 2, 5 and 4 give you 9, 6 and 0 give you 6, 3 there, nothing to add to it, and the 1 there. And remember, the next step that we are going to take is to check to see how many places of decimal we have up here. We have 1 here, and we have another 1 here. So we have 2 places of decimal. In our answer, we have to do the same. 1, 2 places of decimal. So we'll put our point right there. So our answer is 136.92. Let's move on to the other one, and that is 17.81. 17.81 multiplied by 1.6. Alright, so let's go ahead and multiply. 6 ones, 6, 6 8s 48, carry the 4 over, 6 7s 42, and 4, 46, 6 ones, let's put the 4 from the 46, 6 1 6 and 4, 10. Then remember we have to put a 0 there, so we say 1 1 1 1 8 8 1 7 7 and 1 1 1. So we need to add now. 6 and 0, 6, 8 and 1, 9, 8 and 6, 14, bring the 1 over, 7 and 0, 7 plus 1, 8, 1 and 1, 2. Alright, so up here we have 3 places of decimal. We have 2, so 81.81, so that's 2 places of decimal, so we put highlight that. And we have 1 here. So in all we have 3 places of decimal, so we'll move the point 1 2 3. So the point is going to go between the 8 and the 4. So our answer is 28.496. Alright, and we're going to do a final one. 12.62 multiplied by 3.15. So let's multiply 5 2s, 10, put a 0 there, carry the 1. We're going to say 5 6 is 30 and 131, put the 1 down, bring the 3 over. Then we're going to say 5 2s 10 and 3, 13, put the 3 down, carry the 1 over. We're going to say 5 1 5 and 1 6. We're going to use the 1 to multiply now, but first we need to put a 0. We're going to say 1 2 2 1 6 6 1 2 2 1 1 1. We're going to use the third number now, which is the 3. But first we have to put not 1 but 2 zeros. So we're going to say 3 2s. Let's get rid of these. So we're going to say 3 2s 6, 3 6s 18, put the 8 down, carry the 1. We're going to say 3 2 6 and 1 7 and 3 1s 3. So it's time to add. So zeros, so we're going to have a 0 there, 2 and 1 3, 6 and 3 9 and 6 15, put the 5 down, carry the 1, 8 and 2 10 and 6 16 and 1 17, bring the 1 from the 17 over, 7 and 1 8 and 1 9, and bring the 3 down. Now up here we have 4 places of decimal. Alright, so let's highlight them. So here we have 2, 1, 2, and here we have 2. So now we have 4 places of decimal. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. So our point is going to go right here. So our answer is 39.7530. If you check it on your calculator and you don't see a 0, don't worry. At the end, don't worry about it. It's still correct. It's just that the calculator might not put the 0 because 39.7530 is the same as 39.753 because the 0 doesn't change the value of the number. But because we did it manually, we put the zeros. Alright? So you see it's not that difficult. And I guess you understand how to place the points by this, based on those examples that I gave. So you can always practice these on your own. That's all for today, folks. I hope you enjoyed that lesson. And if you do, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to press that notification bell that when a lesson is uploaded, you'll be the first to be notified. So see you in the next lesson.